So what we have here is Kawasaki Z900. So this is pretty fast naked bike. LED front headlights. Nissan calipers, monoblocks, so quite powerful. Inline 4, big radiator. Red frame from Kawasaki. Looks pretty good. Slip clutch. And what's interesting is the rear Kawasaki have redesigned. It's got this loopy DRL and it looks really good. It's quite pretty. Acrobatic paint can, but there's no removable baffle. And it's just quite nice. Big LCD screen. Fuel indicator, fuel gauge, nearly 11,000 RPM, gear. It's got every bit of information you could possibly need. And cruise control. For a 900cc naked bike, that's really useful. And you've got your selectors and the switch gear feels really good from Kawasaki. You definitely feel what the switches are doing if you're wearing a pair of gloves. Nice angles on a fuel tank. Kawasaki have done really well here.